Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be doing a unboxing and review of some new electronics. What we have today is the Vexipia fast charge USB cable. This comes in a wonderful shiny case, and it has a variety of different inputs and outputs for all your charging needs. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what comes inside. There we go. This thing is wrapped around here so nicely. You gotta unravel this. This is a extra long cable. So I do want to show it is a flat woven cable. These are very nice so they don't get pinched or anything like that. Has a nice bend to them. You can put them in the most narrow of places. On the top side here we got your standard USB plug. You sure can. You can convert this to USB-C. Very cool. And that locks right into place. Just like so. Very futuristic, I must say. On the other end here, we have the lightning input. This is going to be for your iOS devices, so your iPads, your iPhones, and what have you. And you can also convert it over to USB-C for the variety of other electronics like a Nintendo Switch or your Android phone. Very versatile. This goes all the way down like so, so you're able to get everything plugged in with ease, and you're not going to be fumbling around with it or having it get in the way. So very cool. Also has the little Velcro attachment here, so if you do need to tie it up against your desk or a nightstand, that's where this will come into play, just to keep the cable management all intact. So not much to say about this guy here, but it is a fast USB charging cable. I'm going to be using it for my phone, and if you guys do want to pick one of these up for yourself, take a look at the description below, click the link, like this video, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.